All right, here I am at the RSR open house. There's my man Ben actually showing people around. And as you can see, it is jam-packed. The sun's coming out. It's a beautiful day. It's a new facility, beautiful lake right across. Beautiful California mountains. I'm loving it. So here we go. I'm gonna take you inside, and I might open some doors that I'm allowed to go into that others can't, because I'm cool like that with my great friends at RSR. So thank you. So you walk in, here is the brand new building. Check it out. And this is the welcome area, so people are signing in for the raffles, getting their bag. You can kind of see some of the raffle items. Yes, look at that.
Let me grab you goodie bags.
All right, those are very limited edition, the G-Shock RSRs actually. So I'll take you around. Tango's room is in here, beautiful. And they're doing some engraving in here, which is pretty cool. So they're engraving into here. So yeah, so everybody in RSR USA, this is in Anaheim, is here. Here's the founder of RSR. And they have a lot of memorabilia up. Who wants some RSR wine? So really cool stuff. They've been in business. This is their 51st year. So not many companies can say that. And as you can see, big track history, drift history, hand built in Japan, the coilovers. I've been lucky enough with Vasen to get to their facility in Osaka twice. And really amazing people. And what I'm loving about them too is employees only. That would be me. I think I can. Is this the back door? Yeah, it's fine. What's that? So here's the warehouse area. And they're transitioning. A lot of companies from Japan, they're still kind of old school, you know, and there's nothing wrong with that. They stay within their lane. RSR has really adapted to change, and they've branched out, you know, and it's great to see that. So obviously you're very familiar with them with the Lexus builds that VIP Auto Salon has done with them, I've done with them. These are the two lifts. So a lot of obviously the R&D, the testing, these are 19-inch HF1s actually for, this is a car that they take to dealers to show the difference in their suspension compared to a stock car. Another HF1. And here we go. So, I mean, if you're in the JDM scene or you're a car enthusiast, you might recognize a lot of these faces. There are a lot of OGs here, some amazing people. Brit is here. Let's see, Harry Nitto Tires here. FormulaD is here. That's a Sub Hall Event Culture. He's here. So it's not just you know, people from other companies. It's a lot of the RSR enthusiasts that have helped the brand grow in the past few years. So I'll just show you. So obviously it's Japan themed, a lot of sake, got Ichiban beer, look at the beautiful sushi that's being developed. And then they got a beautiful spread of food, lamb chops, rock shrimp.
They are delicious.
Green beans, fried rice, noodles, and some beautiful desserts. So RSR USA is Eric Beat Sonic 50th anniversary. That's good. And I just wanted to show you behind the scenes of what's going on. And it's a beautiful, beautiful day out here in California. There's Clark, VIP Auto Salon, just arrived. There's Mark Dorman. This is actually the drift car for FormulaD that Fredric Aasbo built by Papadakis. This makes over 1,000 horsepower. Yes, 1,000 horsepower Toyota Corolla. They came in second last year, Formula Drift, and not sure what they're going to be running this year. We'll see. friends at Auto Tune, so they built this in collaboration with Toyota, and I think SuperStreet was involved as well a bit. Obviously RSR coilovers. This is Carbon RCF19 on Instagram. Big RSR supporter. He's done a couple shows with them. Beautiful wide body RCF, and obviously Clark's LC 500 RSR springs, the beautiful Boston wheels, and you got a bagged LC next to it, but I don't think that's an RSR. So here you go. Beautiful Anaheim RSR USA. Thank you for the invite. Very happy to come all the way from Atlanta to be here. You guys are amazing. You're incredible with your hospitality, top quality products, and your amazing customer service. So thanks for inviting me to your open house.